Hey everyone, welcome back to Twoguysfinance. Now we know our channel is all about smart money moves, but being smart with your time and tools is just as important. Today we're breaking down two powerhouse apps for creating amazing content, and they are PHANT AI and YouCam Perfect. Want to see which one is the right tool for your creative wallet? Let's compare. When we look at the core strengths, PHANT AI Image and Video Maker is all about AI-powered creation. That is the core strength. While YouCam Perfect is for enhancements, yes, enhancement and retouching of images. You get it. So now let's look at what they do actually. PHANT AI Image and Video Maker generates brand new images and videos from text prompts. It's like having a creative genie. While YouCam Perfect, on the other hand, is a little different. Now, what does it do? YouCam Perfect is for perfecting your existing photos and selfies. It's like a digital makeup artist and photo lab in one. Yeah, the two in one. So let's look at the next feature. Who or what are they best for? Well, PHANT AI Image and Video Maker is best for content creators, marketers, and anyone needing unique original visuals from scratch. While YouCam Perfect, on the other hand, is best for social media users, selfie lovers, and anyone who wants to look their best quickly and easily. Now let's look at the vibe you get from using PHANT AI Image and Video Maker. You get the create the impossible vibe. Think dragons on skateboards or a 1970s car on Mars, and it does it for you. Nothing is impossible with PHANT AI. Why, if you look at the YouCam Perfect, the vibe it gives is look your best. Just look your best. It gives you smooth skin, whitens your teeth, remove blemishes, and gives you of fun filters. Lastly, the skill level. What skill level do you need to operate PHANT AI Image and Video Maker? Well, none. Zero. As long as you can type, you can use it. So anyone can use it. You type what you imagine and the AI does the heavy lifting for you. And what about YouCam Perfect? Same thing. Everyone can use it. It is super intuitive. You just simply tap to perfection. Simple. Tap. That's all. So here's the deal. PHANT AI is your go-to for imagination. You type a sentence and it creates a completely new image or video out of thin air. It is incredible for brainstorming and unique projects. YouCam Perfect, on the other hand, is a master of perfection. It takes the photos and videos you already have and make them flawless. We're talking professional level retouching in seconds. But the big question is, do you need to create something new or perfect something you already have? For sheer mind-blowing creation, PHANT AI is the best. But for fast, flawless enhancements, YouCam Perfect is unbeatable. Honestly, having both in your toolkit is a power move. That's it for this quick tool breakdown. Using the right app saves you time, and as we always say, time is money. Do not forget to smash that like button if this helped and subscribe for more tips. Let us know in the comments which app you'll be trying. See you in the next one.